Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Mail in PC or laptops in Windows 11. That means the Mail apps. So go to the Start options and Settings. Here, not Settings. So click here and write or search apps and install apps, uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Here we will search mail. See, we want to uninstall from here, and also we can see uninstall also from here. Uninstall this app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. So click here, uninstall. See, uninstall. Now check the mail apps has been here or not. M.A.I.L. See, the mail apps hasn't revealed here as because that have already I have uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.